I can hear the sound of nature. That is calling me for an adventure. This is the story about a journey to explore the natural beauty and experience the cultural diversity. Through the lush of its tropical forest, I fulfill the quest and learn about something amazing. With so many waterfalls, I think I don't have enough time to see it all. The big one, called Kedabuhan, was a good place for rafting. And in Penuntungan, the atmosphere is refreshing. It's not just about the nature, but also the diversity of its culture. This adventure, I'm pretty sure, and give my thumb to the city of Subulussalam.